Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another essential oil breakdown. Today we're going to be going over one of the lesser known of the citrus essential oils. We're going over Neroli. Now, it goes under different names. I think the bitter orange is one of its more popular ones, but it always seems to be labeled as Neroli. I'm not too sure why exactly, but it might be that particular genus. I'm not 100% sure on this one. I'm sorry, guys. In any case, before we start diving into the profile here, always consult your doctor before use. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into its profile here. Its scent is most commonly described as having a sweet, floral, and citrusy aroma. Its most common uses are depression, frigidity, insomnia, mature skin, scars, shock, stress, and stretch marks. Under method of extraction, you'll see that it is actually steam distilled, which is really surprising. I was expecting cold pressed personally, as with most other citrus-based aromas, but this, I suppose, is the outlier, which is quite interesting stuff. And it blends well with cedarwood, Roman chamomile, geranium, jasmine, lavender, rose, sandalwood, and ylang. Please do check out the playlist for all those oils as well. And under notes, you'll see no known safety considerations, although it is always worth noting that it can be an irritant at those higher concentrations. So this really is one of the stranger citrus oils we've covered, as so far as to say it's steam distilled and it is not considered to be phototoxic, which leads me to believe that the oil might actually come from the leaves as opposed to the rind. Although I'm not too sure why you do that. Let me know down beneath if you have any insight. I've always assumed it was the rind, but I may be mistaken in this case. In any case, let's take a look at its history. Wild trees are found near small streams in generally secluded and wooded parts of Florida and the Bahamas after it was introduced to the area from Spain, where it has been introduced and cultivated heavily beginning in the 10th century by the Moors. Many varieties of bitter orange are used for their essential oil and are found in perfume, used as a flavoring or as a solvent, and also for consumption. So bitter orange is probably what is most commonly referred to as. It is relatively good to know that it's been used for such a long time, and we can trace its origins back a pretty decent amount of time into the past, which is nice, coming up on about 10-11 centuries or so. In any case, let's move on to a quick recipe involving neroli. This is going to be a romantic diffusion. I've always been a fan of the diffuser recipes just because they're super easy. Simply mix the oils together, in this case 20 drops neroli, 15 drops rose, and 40 drops rosewood, and just put it in a diffuser and turn it on. Call it a day. That's really all there is to it. They're quite nice and I highly recommend getting one. That being said, if you want to experience neroli for yourself or order it if you're running low, please do consider going through Rocky Mountain Essential Oils, the links down beneath in the description. That being said, I hope you have a wonderful day. Please do include any thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, or recipes of your own down beneath in the comments section, and I hope you all have a great day, and of course, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.